The brain fog. Solution: journaling rituals to sharpen your mind, a step-by-step guide. Do you ever walk into a room and forget why you're there? Or feel like your brain is wading through thick mud? This isn't just age, it's perimenopause brain fog. It's frustrating and it makes you feel invisible. But you can sharpen your mind starting today. I'm going to show you the 3 journaling rituals that cleared my mental haze in under 5 minutes a day. Ritual 1. The morning mind spark. First, the morning mind spark. Before you touch your phone, write down just 3 things. 1. The single most important task for today. 2. One word for how you want to feel. And 3. One small win from yesterday. This ritual defragments your brain before the day even starts, reducing that morning overwhelm instantly. Second, the midday word search. When you feel that 2 p.m. fog rolling in, don't reach for more caffeine. Instead, set a 1-minute timer and list 10 nouns you see right now. Then, 5 verbs. This simple exercise forces your brain's language centers to wake up, helping you find those missing words during conversations later in the day. Finally, the evening brain dump. Brain fog is often just mental clutter. Before bed, write down everything, every worry, every to-do, every random thought. Get it out of your head and onto the paper. This signals your nervous system to switch off, leading to the deep sleep your brain needs to repair itself. Consistency is the key. I've built all 3 of these rituals into my perimenopause and menopause planner to make this easy for you. Grab yours at the link in my bio and subscribe for more daily relief. You aren't losing your mind. You're just clearing the way for a new version of you.